Hi guys, welcome to Code Patcher, and in this video I will discuss has one through relationship in Laravel Eloquent. Okay, so as we have already seen that has one relationship has one model has one related entity in another model. Okay, so in has one through relationship, this relationship can be implemented with the help of some intermediate model. Okay, so let's understand it with the help of some example. I have three table, basically categories, products and orders. Categories has several categories: cat 1, cat 2, cat 3, as you can see here. Okay, products has products, and it has also the category ID column to relate the product with the category. Okay, so one category can have multiple products. Okay, and in the orders we have a product ID column. Okay, so here uh, the product has one order only in this case. Okay, we will consider this only. So we have three models related to these tables: category, products, and order. So categories has a relationship with the product. The has many relationship I have implemented already. If you haven't checked out my has many relationship video, then you can check it out that also. The second, in the product model, I have has one relationship with the order. Okay, to has only one order for any product. Okay, to implement this scenario I am using the uh, has one relation with the product and order, for the product and order. Okay, so if we want to fetch information for any category, so let's fetch category, find, let's fetch the information for the category 2 and return like this. Okay, and now if you refresh, you can see the category information. Okay, and now we can fetch the related products because we have implemented the products relationship on the category model. Okay, so we will get the related products. Okay, currently we have only one product related to category 2, so we are getting only one. Okay, now if you want to fetch the related orders, then because it is an array, we can use here the order relation on product, because we have implemented has one relationship in the product model. Okay, so now we will get the order information for this product like this. Okay, but if we want directly fetch the order for any category, how can we do that? So for this, Laravel Eloquent provide the relation method has one through relation. So category has one relationship with the order with the help of the product. Okay, so here the product will be a intermediate table. So category related to the product and product related to the order. Okay, and product has one relation with the order, and category has many relation with the products, and can has one relationship, can have also one has one relationship with the product. But here uh, we are going to implement the has one relationship between category and order through the product. Okay, so how can we do that? Let's C public function, and this will be a product order. There is no convention that you have to use this name, but if you're using this convention, then it will be easier in a larger development. Okay, so we have an intermediate table name, model name, and then the target. Okay, if we won't be a if there will be a no intermediate uh, model, then we will use directly the target like we have used in product here. Okay, and here we will use the eloquent has one through relationship, and in this relationship we will pass the target model class, and the second parameter will be intermediate model class. In this case it will be a product class. Okay, and that's it. We can now ready to fetch the order directly. So let's comment it out, and now category, and we have implemented the product order. Okay, so now it should return the order detail related to this category. And now if we refresh it, we are getting this. Here ID is the order ID, product ID is the product ID, and the Laravel through key is category ID. Okay, it's a parent ID, it's a child ID, it's a child ID here. Okay, and this is the intermediate model table ID. Okay, so we can see clearly that it made our life easier. Okay, using the indirect relationship between the two models like we did in uh, category and order. Okay, so that's all for this relationship. Hope you understand well, but if you don't, then please comment and ask questions. Okay, thank you for watching this.